My name is Melanie, and I'm a third-year economics major here at Cal State Fullerton, and I'm here to show you some of my favorite things about MindTap. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. So this is the MindTap platform. My favorite thing about MindTap is how the activities are integrated within your chapters. This makes it super easy to see what's due and what activities correlate with which chapters. Some of my most common issues with some of my assignments in classes sometimes is how I don't know when certain activities correlate with the chapter that I'm reading. But having the activities integrated within the chapters makes it super easy to kind of make those connections and see and understand what kind of lessons correlate with which types of assignments. This makes it super easy to learn and study for certain tests and certain quizzes. So if you go ahead and click the drop-down menu here, you can see that the assignments correlated with that chapter is located within the chapter. So it's technically integrated within the chapter. It makes it super easy to read. And again, it shows that for every single chapter. So if you have an assignment due, you can go ahead and click the drop-down menu and it'll go ahead and show you the assignment and the due date here. And that is my favorite tip or trick with MindTap, and I hope it helps you. Thank you.